Late May, 1940. Hitler's panzer armies have swept westward at a pace few military planners thought possible. In just over 6 weeks, Belgium and the Netherlands have been overrun and the French government has been forced to surrender. The swastika flies over Paris. Caught by surprise, the British Expeditionary Force, sent to support the French and Belgian armies on the continent, faces annihilation. The British retreat in chaos to the town of Dunkirk on the northern coast of France. Dover is a mere 39 nautical miles across the English Channel. The Germans quickly surround the outnumbered British forces and press forward, threatening to push them into the sea. The German Air Force, the Luftwaffe, pounds the beaches of Dunkirk where hundreds of thousands of British troops are gathered, awaiting rescue. Although the Royal Navy is indisputably the most powerful maritime force in Europe, evacuating the troops from Dunkirk proves difficult. Hitler has near total control of the skies, and uses his dive bombers against British ships with terrible effect. Several more vessels are lost to the torpedoes of German U-boats prowling beneath the surface. The air and artillery bombardment unleashed by the Germans destroys much of Dunkirk harbour, including several piers needed to allow troops to board the larger naval vessels. To assist with the evacuation, a flotilla of civilian vessels is hastily assembled in England. Motor yachts, fishing trawlers, ferries, and even sailboats are thrown into the effort. By some accounts, the affectionately named Little Ships of Dunkirk number nearly 1,000. Within days, the vast majority of soldiers, roughly 338,000 souls, are evacuated from the beaches of Dunkirk. Even though thousands of vehicles, pieces of heavy artillery, and other equipment have been left behind, the success of the operation does much to bolster the British population's morale and will to fight. Still, many fear that the celebrations will be short-lived. As German air raids against British military installations intensify into the summer months of 1940, it becomes plain that Hitler intends to shatter the Royal Air Force to make way for an all-out invasion of the British Isles.